Have you been wanting to create a website but do not know where to start? Have you been thinking that you cannot start your web page because you do not know coding, or that it's going to be very complicated, or that it's going to cost you a ton of money? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then you're at absolutely the right place, because in this video we will be covering a very simple way in which you can create your website, which is also absolutely free. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sagar and I've just completed my PhD from Brown University in economics. To make our website, we'll be working with this application called Notion. Do not worry, I'm not asking you to download a shady application. It's actually one of my favorite note-taking applications, and it's also fast becoming one of the favorites among the productivity gurus on YouTube. And it's not even paid, it's absolutely free for personal use. And if you are a student, you can upgrade to the personal pro plan for absolutely no cost at all. And if you still don't want to download it, there's absolutely no problem at all. They're kind enough for letting us go to their website and just sign up and start using it straight away. So all you have to do is go to notion.so and just sign up for your account. If you have a school email address, I would highly recommend that you sign up with that, as then you can upgrade to the personal pro plan for absolutely no cost at all. Now that you have signed up, how do you get started? Once you are signed in, you can create a new page by clicking this plus button here. So this will create a new page for you. And then one easy way to get started is to work with their built-in templates. So if you go here, you can see that there are tons of built-in templates that you can use and you can customize for your own use. Let us say we want to create one which is about resume. So you can just click on use this template, and then this would be copied into your workspace. Now you can edit it the way you want. So for example, let's say if I want to edit this, I can say I am a PhD in economics from Brown. And similarly, you can just keep adding whatever you want. Now let's say you want to create another section which is about your research papers. So how can we do that? So the thing with Notion is that you use this slash button, this / button, and then it pops up tons of commands for you. So for example, suppose you want to create a new page, you can just say /page, and then it creates an absolutely brand new page for you. You can further use built-in templates within this page, but we'll ignore that for now. Let's say we want to create this page as research papers. Now let's say that you want to have a tabular form, you want to have a table in which each row is for a different paper. So you can just say /table inline, and here you can just give this name papers, and this way you can just write the name of your paper. Like for example, I can say demonetization in India, which was one of my papers. Another cool thing that Notion has is that anything can become a page very easily. So for example, you want to create this paper now as a page, and let's say that you want to add PDF of this paper. So you can just go here and you type / you can do file, and in this way you can just choose a file from your computer and then upload it here, and this would also appear here. So the fact that you can create pages so easily and anything can become a page so easily makes it super helpful in adding layers to your website. So for example, now I have written research papers here. I can, if I want, I can just write a brief summary of this paper here, like an abstract. I can upload the actual paper here. It's very easy for me to add a new paper about cash transfers in India, and that can become a page by itself. So let's suppose that you want to add some further hobbies here. You can add a section about that, and basically once you type this / option, there are tons of options that you have. You can create headings, you can create a bulleted list, and so many things. I don't want to overwhelm you with information at this point, but just wanted to give you an idea about what all you can do with Notion and how you can just keep building on this website. Okay, now you might be thinking that all this is okay and fine, but still this is a page inside an app I just downloaded. How do I create a web page out of it? That's where Notion is super helpful and super easy to work with. all you have to do to create this as a web page is that you have to go to this share option on the top right, and here if you can select this option share to web, then basically this becomes a web page. So you can copy this link, and now this link is your website. So just to show you that this actually works, let me go into incognito mode where I'm not signed into Notion, and if I just add this here, you can see that this page is now here. I'm a PhD in economics from Brown. I can go into my research papers. There's a page for demonetization in India. So anybody who has this link can access now your website and can start looking whatever you post here. So you can keep adding layers to it, and all the changes will be uploaded simultaneously. And if you're thinking that, okay, I might forget the link, it's super easy. Whenever you go to this page, if you click on share, you will be able to find the link there. Now obviously this web page is quite long and it's not something fancy like your first name, your last name.com, but I feel that when you're getting started and you just want to share your work with someone, then it's perfectly fine to just share this link. And another workaround that you can do is that in your CV, if you have a Word document or a PDF document, you can just write the term website and you can just put the link to this Notion page there, and this would work perfectly fine. Similarly, in your email, you can have the term website in your signature and you can add this link to that word, and when people want to click on that, they can just see this website. So I think it's a very convenient way to get started with your website and start showing your work. That's all for this video. Hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one.